Okay, so this is my project, an AI stock investing tool. So my project uses evidence to help you manage your risk for your portfolio and helps you analyze. So first, you can it gives you signals based on market data, news, and it'll give you decisions in different places. And then what makes mine different from other places is that it'll group together every signal that you need. So make the process very streamlined and you can make educated financial decisions if you want to hold your stock portfolio or you want to expand. And moving on, you can enter if you have already have an existing portfolio, you can upload your CSV file and then you can allocate different shares you have, and then it'll give you a whole breakdown on your portfolio. And then I also have a section where you can write your own research and investigate the signals. Let's say, for example, you have some research you want to do on Apple. You think that in the next coming years are gonna expand. You can make some notes about that and save it on the website, and then you can save this thesis and then make a question. So this is like a preview of how the on the website looks. You can see your portfolio, you can see all the ticker symbols and what you want to do. The AI will analyze your portfolio and tell you what the next steps are. Also, if you have a specific risk that you want to do, you can add that on my website, and then it will specifically highlight the one that you need to pay more attention to. This is an example of the research journal. You can have a thesis and your questions. And my project built with Flash, HTML, and CSS, and I deployed it on Render. This is my actual dashboard. This is a landing page. Then as you go, this is give you a preview of the actual dashboard over here. As you scroll, you can see what the dashboard encloses. All right, let's open up the dashboard over here. Okay, so for now, I'll load up a starter portfolio as an example. So we have our portfolio values. It'll give you the portfolio value over here and all the different differentiating symbols that you need. So in our example, we have 3 different stocks we've invested to. It'll tell you the breakdown and it'll tell you a live chart. And then here's the AI integration. So you can generate a briefing based on your portfolio. In here, it'll tell you things about you need to do, what needs attention, and then it'll also give you news headlines so you can cross-check and make your own educated guesses. And here are more headlines, all using Yahoo News. Here is where you can upload your CSV file and then also manually change if you need to after you upload. And here's a watch and alerts where you can put in your specific ticker symbol and it'll highlight it over here and then let you pay more attention to a specific ticker, which is useful if you have a large portfolio list of many different stocks you invested to. And here's a research journal where you can research for a specific company, as I mentioned in my presentation, and then you can save the notes over here. And you can compare based on, as in our starter portfolio, we have 3, so we can compare and see how each individual one is doing compared to the rest. And it'll give you data based on this also. Here you can run strategies, and this is all based on historical data. This is not supposed to be used as prediction. You'll have to make your own educated predictions, but this serves as a baseline you can use to make an educated guess. And you can also change a theme to your liking. And that's it.
Okay, got it. Uh, yeah. Firstly, it's a nice idea that you're just trying to help the less educated people about informing them about stock investing and all. I would like to know, like, where did you get this motivation from for creating a product which is related to investing?
I got the motivation for this because obviously interested in money and myself. I didn't have an idea where to start, so I thought that creating something maybe that I can also use for myself as I improve this can help other people my age too, because this makes the process easier for me, and I know this would help a lot of other people like my friends and other people that would need help investing.
Okay, got it. Instead of CSV, can you just I would suggest if you could like to be connected to the apps that are actually that holds your portfolio information, right? Because people won't have like all the CSV related to like how
Hmm.
many stocks they have invested, how many shares that have, what's the buying price, what's the selling price, and all that. So
Hmm.
that's like a very difficult thing for people to maintain, right? Before uploading over here. So that's something you can do. And according to me, the thesis and research part was something which is like a good feature, and the news updates and all. But I did you actually try seeing that the news are the latest news and every news that is coming related to that particular stock that's appearing on your dashboard?
Did I see? Um,
Yeah, cross check. Like, did you actually use your app while creating this thing?
like I'm confused what the question is.
See, you have like three stocks that you have put in your that demo section, right?
Yep.
So did you cross verify that the news that are appearing in the news section are they actually the latest news that is like appearing?